think more and more Indian national students are preparing for USMLE? Simply because there is a huge skill shortage. US requires 1,21,000 physicians every year, but they only produce 42,000. So there is a huge gap. This gap is what needs to be fulfilled. Okay, which is why more and more IMGs get admission. Typically, you also need to understand why there are more opportunities for IMGs. The reason is very simple. They have more PG seats than their MBBS seats. So they have less MBBS seats and more PG seats. Okay, which is why the gap, and this gap is fulfilled by the international students. All right, I hope you guys are able to understand this. A lot of students wonder, why do people take this challenge of USMLE when the process is complicated? Because there are returns, you earn a lot of money, and even if you are on a base field like pediatrics or family medicine, you are earning decent $200,000 to $50,000. The top 5 specializations are plastic surgery, orthopedics, cardio, and gastro. That's how it works. All right. Please understand this very, very clearly, because it's very important that you go through the entire process. 2020, almost 34,000 seats were available. Number of international students getting admission broke 30 years record. Okay. Even if we see last 5-year trend line, number of international students getting admission is increasing year on year, with 2020 being the highest, 61% of people getting admission. That's a huge ratio. Absolutely, yes, Shama. So once you give your step 1, the series of entire exam needs to be cleared within 7 years. So no problem. But how do you achieve your dream of USMLE? It's the overall preparation and the profile. So you require good marks of step 1 CK, 2 CS, US clinical experience, medical school performance, your specialty focus work with your community medicine department, extracurricular activities, research, language, and finally the interview. So each and every factor play a very big role in your admission. Okay. So this is very important. It's a job, and hence every factor will matter. And we at Moksha help you at every level. Okay. This is very important, because how does Indian students study? Okay. What we do at Moksha, every student has access to this online platform where he logs in and gets access to the USMLE content. There are faculties who teach USMLE, have been teaching for many years now. So you get access to them, you listen to the live lecture. Once you are through to the live lecture, you can watch recorded videos. It's a completely integrated approach. So you watch a particular video, you can ask doubts, you can download notes. So this is a software which is completely indigenous, keeping in mind your requirements, right? So you can download notes, you can report mistake, you can ask doubts. Complete study library is available with you, plus live lectures. More importantly, you can clarify your doubts on the live lecture. There are a lot of research articles which you are getting opportunity to. There is a question bank where you can practice so much on your Q bank. A lot of content is available on the Q bank as well. Okay, you get access to this Q bank, you watch a lot of content on the Q bank as well. Most importantly, since exams happen every day throughout the year, we give you a detailed analytics. When you are ready for the exam, what is your predicted score, overall performance, your strength, your weakness? In fact, those who want to give a mock USMLE exam can do so on our platform. We have a free access, a free trial which you guys can log in. The career library gives you access to all different career opportunities. What are the USMLE marks? What is the pathway to get the admission? Under the news and update sections, all the news are regularly updated. Okay, very regularly, all the news are updated. So this is a platform which every student preparing for USMLE utilizes it. It's very important to understand the seriousness of examinations, right? Otherwise, people are going to be getting defeated, right? Please understand this very clearly. Now, how do Indian students prepare? This is important. Why only 1,000 were ECFME certified last year? Because Indian students don't see this as a very important career exam. They just take a chance like NEET PG. Guys, do not take chance with your career. Preparing from WhatsApp, Telegram is not going to lead you anywhere. Okay. Or some people go to these Hyderabad-based franchisees. These Hyderabad-based companies. Unfortunately, people get fooled. Every year they say a new book has come, 19 edition, 20 edition. So these companies fool a lot. In fact, they tell you don't do anything. You come to America and shoot up your budget to 50 lakh rupees. You require a complete solution. You require a solution which I just showed you, which ensures your performance. You don't have to worry about the validity part. Our program is systematically developed, keeping in mind something called as weakness identifier, test analytics, active learning, doubt solving, and unlimited validity. Unfortunately, there are companies, I told you in Hyderabad, 4-month program, 7-month program, doesn't work like that. We cannot afford to pay 1 lakh rupees after every 4 months. It doesn't work like that. In fact, for our students, especially, we have introduced a very unique program, called as the High Yield Review. Those who are graduate interns, especially for them, we have announced this High Yield Review, a 7-week program. The first edition was very successful. We had about 200 plus students in the month of February, and now the second edition is happening in July. Please understand the basic difference, my friends. The same program in America is for $5,000. We have bought in India at a never before price, at a very, very minimal cost. All of these faculties will be teaching you live online. Okay, and for later on, if you want to upgrade to an unlimited package program, you can do so as well. And the entire money which you paid for this program will be adjusted against your fee. So you will get a complete refund for this fees. Okay, so this is something very unique, especially for interns and graduates, those who are in hurry. In 7 weeks, we are doing a high yield review program, especially for you guys. All right. Those who are in first and second year, they start with a regular program because you require much detailed training. Okay. And once you reach the third year, you will again do this high yield review and be ready for the exam. All right. I hope this is clear to each of one of you. In fact, let me also tell you, as I told you, that Moksh is going to ensure we give you access to the best knowledge, best content, and lots of guest lectures.